What's happening, guys? Welcome back to a Bitcoin price prediction breakdown trade ideas video on what Bitcoin could potentially do. Plus, I'm going to be talking about this fake out question we got from one of you guys in the comment section below on how to predict the markets with a 98.2% accuracy. I pulled that out just from backtesting and data, just showing how every key levels did. That's how I came to that number, but I'm going to make a video on how I got to 98%. But that video is really good to understand how to do key levels. And in today's video, we're going to be putting that into the test on showing you again how Bitcoin is reacting to these key levels, the next potential price movements, and what we are waiting for. Is it going to dump? It looks very likely. The structure looks bearish, and I'm going to go through that in the first section, the overall market breakdown, day trades, and then answering the question. So let's get to it. So we are looking very bearish. Now the structure on the price action of what we got at the moment is we've got these wicks here. So these massive little wicks that are dropping down every single time are showing that when that body of that candle at one period of time, price was trading below here, but every single time the bulls have pushed it above this trading price. But over that period of time, you can see prices, well, candles actually are just creeping lower and lower and lower. And potentially right now, we're going to be starting to close below this support region at 25,800. Now 28,500, if we break below and then break below the 25k mark, we have got a long way down. Now yes, I'm not trying to put fear, I'm not trying to put anything, I'm just trading off of key levels and what the market is giving me. Like I said to you before, it doesn't matter if I'm right or wrong. What's all that matters is the trades are making us money, we have an edge, and I'm able to be free. That's all we're trying to get in trading, right? And why we want to make money is what I deem freedom is doing what you want, when you want, with who you want, and how you want. So that's why it doesn't matter if you're right or wrong, and that's why it's important just to make sure that you follow your plan your trade and trade your plan. So with the Bitcoin, what I really like to see is this break below this structure, hold below, because this is the first time it's breaking below this support. The fact that it's breaking below this support, we need to see a confirmation just to kind of give me, here you go, Dan, it's going to trade below here, you can have an opportunity and try and get that trade. So we're looking just to retest that, then get my entry on this zone, the entry on the key level, and then from there looking to kind of have this trade run all the way down to 20k, and then the major key levels we've got is at 18,000 and 16,000. So you can see these key levels time and time again, like no matter how you see this, you could even say it's arguably 100% accuracy. It's just might not be 100% accuracy in terms of the strike rate or the trading rate, but in terms of accuracy of price rejecting it is 100% correct, because look, it's bounced here, it's bounced here, it's bounced there, it's bounced there, it's bounced here as well, and then rejected a full body wick 1 2 3, then broke out, and then it's become a support. Major times on all the other key levels that I've drawn have all been tested and respected. Now if you want to have access to the chart, I will post this on social media, or you can just take a screenshot of this or follow me on Twitter, or I'll post it on Telegram or Discord, wherever you follow me on. So guys, just want to quickly plug this. We've got the BitGet competition where they have the King's Global Invitation, so link in the description to kind of sign up and use our link to participate in this. And there's up to 2 million in terms of a prize pool, iPhone Pro Max, a cyberquad, and a helicopter. Honestly and truly, a helicopter? What on earth? So the link in the description to find out more information, to go and check that out, and it helps support this channel, and good luck on your trading competition with this promotion. Let's get back to the video. So the next potential trade ideas is if we trade above, then I'll look for a very aggressive buy, meaning that, you know, the next time this pushes above, this could potentially break the 31k. Even though this is a low probability, that is a trade idea that I'm just setting and potentially aware of if the markets can change, because we did have a spike, we did have the, you know, the lawsuit with the grayscale, but it hasn't really had a good strong ripple effect from there. But on that note, because they said they're going to delay it, it's looking more bearish, and the market's reacting to the bearish news more, and it's setting up where the moving averages are looking lower, the overall price is looking lower, the market structure is looking lower, the lower time frame, so 4 hours now is broken through. If we go on to 1 hour's time is breaking through, and then I'll go on to the day charts just in a moment. So if that's the case, break down and then sell on this key level here. So got a buy idea, got a sell idea, we just have to wait, plan our trade, and trade our plan. So let's go on to the day trades. So the day trading idea, if I had to kind of put an idea right this moment in time, it would definitely have to be a sell. So the sell idea I'd probably have is a sell right now with a stop loss above. I'd actually have 2 take profits. Now my first take profit will be on this zone right here, Reason being because that's a key level. That's where I've just shown you on the higher time frame prices rejected that, and that's where I'd want to secure some partial profits. And the stop loss is above the previous price action, above the previous key levels, and above the previous zone. So what I'm saying there is if price goes above this, I'm wrong, I'm out of this trade. Boom, my percent of that risk is gone. So that's the day trade. Let's follow up with that tomorrow or the day after and see where that trade is going. So for the final section of this video, we've got a question here from Yashwath4173. Can you please do a video on how to avoid fake out and how you know if price action has retested the support or the resistance level? Now, I will make a full video, but just to answer that question a little bit more is basically you can't. I know that sucks and it's not the best answer you want to do, but you can't avoid a fake out. But what you can do is what we call in trading an edge is refine your strike rate. So what that means is basically you can have some certain rules or confluences or entry requirements to help you protect yourself from rushing into a trade or just joining in on these other fake out or these liquidity grabs or whatever you want to call them. There's many different words for the same thing. It's just, yeah, they're the same thing. It's just different words and fancy words from it. And what I can kind of suggest is why I wait for a confirmation is one of those reasons. Because look, if you wanted to sell here, you can see that all of this wick ended up trading up above. You wouldn't have been able to get a buy on this level because look, you would have been stopped out multiple times because of that major wicks. You could have got a buy here and then it finally pushed and hit both take profits. This one would have hit take profit as well in terms of like if we were trying to buy on these sections. So it's really difficult to know. So, you know, the honest truth and the answer is you can't avoid fake outs and you can't avoid those liquidity grabs. It's part of the market and part of trading. Now, what I can say is confirmations. Now you can reduce them by having more confluences in place. So make your trading even more specific, make it harder to get into the market. Because at the start you have to find the reasons to get into the market, find why are you taking this trade, why does it make sense, and then when you get to a certain level, then you've got to, you know, there's so many reasons. You can pretty much make up a trade at any level and zone, but then you need to start finding reasons not to take the trade and make sure that is an A+ setup. So what I like to wait for is a confirmation, and what I mean by that is you can see here I want price to trade below here for a good couple of days, meaning that's going to give me that confirmation that, okay, cool, that support has been broken, now price is trading below this is like a new area. Then I look for the retest and then look for the continuation down. So that's on the BRE type of strategy, which there's a video on the channel showing you my full breakdown of that strategy. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check out our other videos, how to make $100 a day and 8,000% return on copy trading. Now I know they are some exaggerated titles, but go and watch those videos because there are actually a lot of lessons to be learned, and on top of that there are actually proof in the concept. People have actually made 8,000%. You know, you guys are in the crypto market, so you do know there is a lot of opportunity in these markets as an overall. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in tomorrow's video. Champ out. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the promotions, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.